Hello guys, this is your friend the Great Lobbyist and I am back again with another awesome video, and today I have something for those fitness enthusiasts and those who want to take care of their body and soul together. Guys, we gotta, and also at the same time keep yourself absolutely trendy with this latest product from Huawei. This is Huawei Watchfit Elegant Edition. Now, we did the review of Huawei Watchfit. Amazing product, packs a lot of features, and this is the latest version in which they have added a touch of luxury, a touch of lifestyle, and given it a more premium feel and upgraded the hardware and the software both. So getting straight on to business, but before I do that, can I please request you to press the subscribe button and the notification icon if you're watching us on YouTube. If you're watching us on Insta, TikTok, or Facebook as well, the handle still remains the same, that is at Great Lobbyist. And you can check all this information out on our platforms and also on our website www.greatlobbyist.com, which is your one-stop shop for all the news on all tech products that you seek to buy. Guys, so straight on to Huawei Watchfit Elegant Edition. So let's find out what's inside the box first. As we get this open, we straight away see the beautiful Watchfit Elegant. Let's get this out. And as you can see, it looks gorgeous. I've not set it up, so we'll do it later. On one side, we have the charging cable, of course. Nothing fancy about it. That's a proprietary clamp-on magnetic charger with USB. So that's definitely there. So we're going to put this back. And then on the other side, we have some paperwork to go with it. So cool stuff. We're going to put this all on the side and focus only on the Watchfit Elegant. So let's get rid of this as well. Guys, beautiful looking piece. So this is a gorgeous 1.64 inches of display. This is a 2.5D curved display. You can see a little bit of curvature coming. So that gives you that snug feel when you wear it. And this is 70% screen to body ratio. Gives you 280 by 456 pixels of HD resolution with 326 ppi density, 16.7 megacolors, absolutely amazing watch faces to choose from, and you can customize it with your pictures as well. So great feature there as well. And when you customize this, you can also, every icon of your fitness, whether you want to monitor your heart rate or you want to see how many steps you've taken, everything can be customized using these watch faces. So you can just drag and drop those icons and it'll show you on that particular watch face. Lightweight and amazing stuff, and a 5-minute charge can give you a whole day of usage. Otherwise, it's got a 10 days of battery life. So great product. What they've done different in this is, along with giving that beautiful, it is a stainless steel bezel instead of the standard one which they were using in the before, which gives that luxury premium feel. And the strap, this is again metallic, beautiful stuff which they have put in here, giving you that luxury feeling when you put it on, as you would see. I would love to. So here we go. What I'm going to do is I'm going to set it up with my phone with Huawei fitness app, and tell you how to work with it. And as I press this, I worded it the wrong way. Bear with me. Let me just quickly correct that. Here we go, so that we can absolutely enjoy. As you can see, the brightness, so as I press this button to change the watch faces, you can go into settings and set it up into do not disturb mode, or you can set it into connect and disconnect with your devices and everything that you need to do. So as we move on to watch faces, as you can see, many options available to choose from. Choose your personal design, what you like, whatever you want to see, whatever your style is. And you can download hundreds of those free from the Huawei app gallery as well, so that you can actually have something to your liking. So I like this one personally. I like the silver elegant feeling. And this beautiful metal bezel gives it that additional edge. 10 days of stainless steel, absolutely beautiful. That watch frame gives that extra touch. Of course, 10 days of battery life, as we said, so charge it once and let go of it. And just in case you forget to charge it on a particular day, you don't have to leave it there forever. Just charge it for 5 minutes and you can get that full day of charge for yourself. You got SpO2 monitoring. You got True Screen for heart rate monitoring as well. So it is all-day heart rate monitoring and sleep monitoring put together, it has got 96 workout modes and 12 kind of animations for quick workouts as well. So you get that assistance if you need one. It's got absolutely 10 running courses, smart running companion. So you can always customize it, to personalize this according to your liking, messages, reminders, music control, camera control. Everything that you need is all around your wrist, and you can absolutely enjoy it as you would. And you can keep it at the same time, you can keep a track of your health and fitness and adding a bit of grace to your wrist as well. So guys, this is Huawei Watchfit Elegant Edition with a beautiful, stainless steel metal frame and some amazing features to keep a track of all aspects of your health. So this is your friend, the Great Lobbyist, and I'm signing off with Huawei Watchfit Elegant. And you keep yourself safe. You can buy this off the stores at the Huawei shop at a very nominal price, which is listed down in the description. And you do let us know in the comments what you think about it. And if there's anything specific you want to know, I'll be happy to have those answers. Keep yourself safe. Peace.